So now we are online. Alright. So let's this is my first time online, so I'm a little bit nervous. So let's so what exactly I'm doing here is I'm planning to build a 2D platformer in Godot version 4 release 2022, and currently what I have done is I have created a level scene here, and added a tile maps to a different scene named tile map green, in which I have added a tile map and added this tile set here, and added a physics layer for collision. So here we can paint if we select the collision boxes here. So here you can see all blue. So the collision is applied to each tile here. And player, I have I'm using pixel platformer asset, free asset from itch.io. You can use that, or I'll attach the link, or you can use your own. And I have used this animated sprite. So create 4 animations for this. Like for idle, here click here to import the assets, characters, virtual guy, and then you can select this sprite and open. Here you can see the zone. We have to change this horizontal vertical. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here we put 11, and vertically there's only one row, so one. And this we can select all of these and add frames. So here it will all the frames will be added. We can play the animation to check. So it's animation is working. And so what we have here is if you play, they see where this player is hanging in the air. So what we're going to do right now is attach, make this player move around and jump and do and add animations also. Okay? So currently it's just a single frame. So I have attached the script to this player node, and uh, when you will attach and you can erase the code, which remove the code to default, and add this. Okay, we have a speed by which the player will move, the jump speed, how long it will jump, and the gravity depending on 980, you know. So so it is a physics process, so it will call every frame, right? If it is 60 frames per second, so it will call 60 times per second. So first we are applying gravity here. So what we do is, if not layer, so on underscore flow, so then what we'll do is velocity dot phi plus equals to gravity into delta. We are in delta is like 1/60th of a second, like 1/60. So what it will does is it will keep adding the gravity, this 980 into delta. It's 980 into 1/60, and it will keep adding to velocity dot y, so that pair will go downward. So if you play this, nothing will happen, because to move we have to call one function, and that is move and slide. So what this function does is here we can, yeah, command click. I mean Mac, so command click in control in Windows you can control plus click. So it moves the body based on velocity. Velocity is defined inside character body tree, which this script is extending. So if we use when if we change the velocity then and call this movement side, then it will change move the body. Okay. So, okay, so if we call move and slide, then what will happen is, so you saw it will move down, and now we'll do is we will uh, move to more forward and backward. So do one thing, in go to the project settings and input map. I have added a few action names like left with physical key A for left, right. Using this you can add like if you want any custom like left to add and sorry. So here if you click plus and if you type any key like A, so it will select A and OK, it will then it will assign A to move at left. So similarly you can do for the rest. So okay, close. So what we are going to do is we are going to move player left and right. So for that, what we will use a function like input dot get underscore axis. This left and right. So what it does is if you open the documentation, input get axis. So what it does is if press right or left, it will subtract the strength of both. So in okay, let's just print what this let's just say print input dot get underscore action strength, right. So let's just play and see what it will print. So left right is 0. Okay, wait, we can see if we press right is 1 and left is 1. Which direction player has to move. So what we'll do here is where direction equals to equal dot get underscore axis left C and right. We have to make sure that the left comes first because uh, first one is negative action and the positive action. Negative action means moving left and positive means right because the negative axis is in left, right. So left minus right. So if direction mm, is not action equals to 0, then what we have to do is velocity dot x equals to speed. Alright, if we play, so see it's moving, and Okay, so it was moving in left, so we have to multiply the direction also. So see, if it press A, it moving press left, right, it's moving right. Now press left, it's moving left, again left, right, left. But you say it's not stopping. So let's just change the code to stop if nothing is pressed. If the direction is zero, then velocity dot x is equals to zero, else velocity dot y equals to. So we pressed, moved, and left. If you hold the key, it will move. If you leave, then it will stop. So it is moving left and right. And now let's implement the jump. Okay, so what it does is if now we have assigned space bar for jump, so we have to listen to that space bar. When it will be pressed, then user has to jump. Input dot get underscore action. Sorry, is underscore action just pressed, and it's jump. And what will it do is velocity dot y is equals to jump speed. So if we play moving left and right, if it puts space, nothing happened. What we do? Space keys assigned. Not jumping. Why it is not jumping? Why it is not jumping? Why it is not jumping? Is it coming here? Let's just see. It's coming here. Okay, wait. I made a mistake. Jump is should be negative here because it will move forward. See, okay. Actually, we have assigned collision to this tile set, so that's why it can't move below. That's why nothing was happening. And if we click this, then we can do multiple jumps. So we have to avoid this multiple jumps. So how we can avoid this multiple jumps? We can do this like if is underscore on underscore slow colon. If it is on floor, that only this is gonna need stuff. So now only once. So it's kind of okay. Let's do one thing. Let's edit our tile map so that we can jump. Select this tile map and select this tile. Wait, what happened? This, this, what's happened? Why it is let's find something. Let me check that set. Actually, I was doing something and that might have messed up. Let's do one thing. This is just tiles and okay, wait, I'm green and nothing is there. So let's scratch like new tile set and add an atlas direction. Oh man, it crashed. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's open this project. Let me can set atlas. Okay, now and now we can type direction here. So assets accounts number of it terrain. Mm, yes. So it divided into boxes. So if it doesn't works like that, uh, then you have can change the size here. You can change the size accordingly. Like this was 16 to 16, you can change 32 by 32 or whatever size you want. So time up here and let's go to clear. And all right, now it's fine. Okay, so let's add a origin. This this. Uh, we'll work on auto types also, but later. Not cover. Will not cover it now. So we'll just do it things manually. So this web platform. Okay. So it's just oh, okay, my bad. I forgot to add collision shapes. Collision. So let's add a collision. Go to physics there, add an element, and go to tile set, paint. Now physics layer 0. So you can change the shape also you want, but we won't change for now. For these we can change, but for these we don't need to just click and drag. So for now I'm using this. So then let's just save and try not see that. Okay, so now and use it here. And we can increase the jump height also. It's just barely making. So, okay, I'll do one more thing now. Go to project settings, and Godot, and I'll see it will be just tools window. You can change the size, and yeah, that's it. Tools. Oh, it's so small. It's so small. Okay. Oh damn, it's so small. Okay, go to project settings, enable advanced settings, and here into the word 1280 by 120. Let's just run again. Okay, it's big bit better. This feels odd. Either we so we can work now on animations part. Currently the player is just this static. So let's go to script, and for that we need to access the animated sprite. So what how we can do is at that uh, trigger. Oh damn, dear, I forgot. At that already function. My bad, I forgot the name. Where animated sprite animated underscore SPR sprite equals to dollar animated sprite 2D. So this will access the instance of this animated sprite. Yeah. Animated sprite now. Okay, so if the direction is 0, then means this velocity dot x is 0. This means it is in idle. So what we'll do here is we'll play this animated sprite.play idle animation. Okay. Otherwise, what we'll do is animated sprite.play real animation, and when it is in air, so there are two animations. First is the jump and other is path. So we'll play both animations. Okay. If it is on floor, then else. If it is not in floor, then only we will play that animations. If velocity dot y is less than zero, this means we are going up. Here, see example speed is negative. This means if we are going up, so what we'll do play is animated sprite play jump else uh, no not else, and if velocity dot y is greater than zero, if velocity dot y is zero, this means it is in ground. So the idle animation will play. So animated sprite dot play. Hmm, let's just okay. So this is so easy. So here, if I maximize this, then you can see it is playing the walk animation. We jump and the fall, jump and the fall, jump and the fall, jump and the fall. Okay, so but and it's so cool. We just have to move backward, then also then let's facing forward. So let's fix this thing. Let's just increase the like 1280. What we can do is 640 into 3. What will be 1820, 1920, right? 1920 and 360 into 3 is 100. Close. Ah, is this is better. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to flip that player, change the direction it faces while it is moving. So we have to change here. What how we can do is there are two ways to do this. Go to player, let's just 2D, animated sprite, go offset, flip edge. Either we flip change this, or either we go to transform and scale. If we minus one, then it will move. So we can do the difference is that with the player set to minus one, then you'll see this collision shape also flipped. See this is straight line with the and facing backward. Then if we reset to one, then it came forward, so it flips. Also, if we change flip edge, then only the sprite will flip, the collision shape will remain as it is. So either way you can change any you can go either of the ways. What I do is I just change this direction, change the scale. You can do anything, you can do whatever you like. So you can also change the flip edge. Let me show you how. Okay, where was I? Yeah, so we can do animated sprite dot flip H we can set it to true or false based on the direction. You can check if the direction is greater than zero. So, but I'll always use scale. So, scale dot x is equals to uh, direction. That's it. Let's just see, move forward and wait, what happened? Okay, uh, okay, this is so freaking right. Yeah. Mm. Let's just print and see what exactly is happening here. Print scale dot x. 1 1 1 and 1 minus 1. I don't know why it is behaving like that. Move forward. Uh, okay, this I'll check why it is happening. So for now, I will just flip that animation, flip the animator sprite. So flip edge uh, equals to, if direction is less than zero. If direction is less than zero means it is moving. Direction value of direction is minus one. It is moving left. So it flip to the opposite direction. Otherwise, it won't flip. Let's just say it works. Okay, so this is working. If you move right, it's facing forward. Move left, facing backward. So I'll see why scale.x was not working properly. Now this is just smooth. Okay, fine, cool. So what we can do now? Uh, there are many things uh, we can implement. We can either implement double jump or the coyote jump. Like if to give effect, like if we are moving high speed and at this ledge gain and if user wants to give a let's just implement coyote jump. So if you try to move and try to jump near this ledge, so it won't be able to jump. It will always fall down if you try. So sometimes it will give a user a sense that the jump is the controls are not responsive. Like it didn't work. Try use near the ledge. The user tried to press jump. I tried to press jump, but it's not jumping. So it will give sense the user that the jump button is not working properly. So let's just implement that also and also buffer like if we press multiple times if we press spacebar just near when you're about to land so then it should jump. Okay, it's to increase the user experience so we'll implement coyote jump and jump buffer and also the double jump. So we will go for a double jump. So for that, let's minimize this. For that, we can have a variable here where export it where export where double underscore jump underscore count. Great. So it will well. So in the air, if you press jump button, then it will jump for one more time. If you two, then we can jump two more times, then three more times. So we can do how many we want. So for now, okay. So how we will implement it? So when we are in the air, so when we are in the air, so what we'll do is we will have when we are in the air. If we are not in the floor, if we are not on the floor, then what we will do is let's just give me a second to think exactly how we will implement it. 38 minutes. That's fine. So if we are not on the floor, then what? If we are not on the floor, means we are on the in the air. So what we will do is, if in the air, we press the jump. Okay, I'm totally blank right now. Okay, let's just double jump. So we are in the air, so means we will be here, and we have to check if action pressed this jump. Then okay, let's just add it here. But once dot get is action just spread, yeah. And then we will do is velocity by. Okay, we don't have to plus it. We'll just see it works or not. We'll see jump works or not. Press. See, if in the air we press, then it jump. Cool. So okay, okay. So what we'll do is okay. So how we can restrict it to one time? Like if we press only once, then jump. Otherwise, falls down. Mm, it is on floor. It is on floor. Right. If it is on floor, then press the jump. If they are on air, mm, I still can't figure it out how we should use this. Okay, right now I'm totally blank with this double jump, so let's just reset it for now. Uh, we will come back to it later. For now, we will implement this coyote jump. So for that, we will use a new node name timer, and this timer, uh, let's add a new node and name it. Okay, timers. Make sure if you add any node, then click the root node if you want to add below the main root. Otherwise, it will add inside that child. I didn't want it. What I want is to move this timer inside this timers node. It's just for design so that all the timers are in one place. We'll use multiple timers here. So this one is coyote jump timer. Coyote jump timer, right? Yeah. So we will access this at the rate on ready for coyote underscore jump underscore timer. So we use colon equals to just for autocomplete for type type check and for autocomplete coyote jump timer. So dollar timers slash not accessing it. Wait, dollar. Oh, my bad. I added this inside level. We had to add this inside there. My bad. Add child node, inside node, change it to timer, and I was child node, and we'll add a timer here. And timer coyote jump timer. If I do this, yeah. So here will come time so coyote jump timer. I was like panicked that why it's not coming. So this coyote jump timer. So what we will do here is we create a variable uh, where coyote underscore jump is equals to false. Currently it will be false, and how it will do is What we'll do is that we came here, we came here earlier. Earlier that player was on platform, but now player is has left the platform. So what to do is when player comes leaves this, we then we want to jump. So earlier player was on floor, but now it is not on the floor. So we will have a variable here that var was underscore floor is equals to is on floor. So this move and slide is that earlier the player was on floor, but now it has moved. It may or may not be on the floor. If is on floor, what if no where is underscore in underscore air is in air. So not is on floor. So earlier it was on floor. This is that now it is in air or means it is not on floor, either going up or down, whatever it is, but it is not, it is in air. It's not on floor. So what we'll do is that if wait. Okay, wait. Let's just comment this out. If the player was on floor, and 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 now it is in air. Is underscore in air. Pass. It was on the floor and now it is in air. Right. Let's just hope that I am right. So what we'll do is coyote jump timer dot start and coyote jump equals to true. This means we are now ready to perform the coyote jump. So, okay, we have to trigger this. This will be one shot and let's just save for 1 second for now just to test. We'll decrease the time later and we have to connect signal. So connect this and here it will do is we have to coyote jump goes to pause. Like we have disabled after this timer expires, we'll disable this coyote jump that user cannot jump anymore. So it's true. So now we are ready to coyote jump. So what we will do is um, if it is on floor or coyote jump is true. Let's just say something is something is mm, not right. Something is not right. I don't understand. Something is not right. and velocity dot y is greater than equals to 0. Like either jumped. Why it is jumping multiple times? Have you implemented see here it is like after we came we can jump. So and after we quote a jump, then we have to set it to false. No, wait. Uh, something not right. Let's just commit all this code and check again. Okay, wait. So this is okay. So this logic is uh, messing. So what is wrong right now? Okay, let me think again one more time. Uh, what happens is player was here, so player was on the ground, was on floor, but now he has left to the ground. Left the ground. Okay, just one more thing that let's just decrease the time to 0.1 second. Check. Okay, everything seems fine. Okay, I haven't. Okay, I forgot. Implement this code. My bad. See, we is this lagging? Wait, let me restart again. Something seems fishy. Wait, it just see something is right. And was on floor. And it was on floor, but now it is not on floor. Oh, okay. So what happens is earlier it was on floor. Just check this is in air. It worked. Yeah, I want to perform quite a jump. Maybe 0.1 is like too much short. Let's change to 0.2 seconds. Yeah, I feel like whenever I press for the first time, it just suddenly moves from here to here. Okay, we can jump in the air if we're going down. This means that this seems fine. Yeah, as if into like too generous. All right. Yeah, it seems fine. If you want, you can decrease the timer or leave it like this. I think I'll go with this logic for now. And let's just implement jump buffer also. So we'll add one more timer. This will be jump buffer timer. So, okay, so it will be similar to that only. So what we'll do here is node timeout. Select this player which where this script is and connect. So similarly we'll have it already. Wow, jump underscore putter buffer or timer dollar timers or jump equals to false. And when this timer expires, we will set buffer jump to false. So what we do is, so what we will do is if it's on the floor and if you okay, so what the logic is, if jump if it's on the air, if it is user plays on the air and user pressed 0.1 second, press the space button, sorry, the space button, jump button again, and if when the user presses the jump button, the timer will start and buffer jump variable, this variable will be set to true. Then before this timer expires, if comes to land, here comes to land, if it means if buffer jump is true, then it will jump again. I think the logic is I think that what the problem is clear. We have to implement the logic right now. So what we will do is The problem is, the thing is, when do I start the timer? So when it is not on the floor, right here, else part, we can't do it here because we can't do it here. Can we do it here? Nope, it is not on the floor. Okay, how do we do it? Uh, how do we do it? Okay, so let's just say if it is in air, if it is in air, and if it dot is action just pressed jump. Okay, then what we will do is we start the timer like jump score jump up a timer. Okay, the battery is low, so that's why it's jump timer dot start. And forward underscore jump is equals to true. Oh, my bad. If either if we jump or preferred preferred jump equals to false. Wait, what happened? Okay, we went. It's a one shot. Okay, we didn't change the time. The time is 0.2. Let's just wait again. Okay, fine. If I press, okay, let me just decrease the time. I like that is very close to the ground. Oh, it's worked now. Maybe 0.2 was fine. You can just set this number according to you. For me, 0.2 was fine. Was better. Okay, fine, fine. So this just works. So what did we learn today? So I'll finish this here. I'll come online again tomorrow. We'll double jump timer. I'll see I'll see what I can do in that double jump and I'll plan ahead what things we can add like enemies. I can add enemies also or traps and all. We can do that, but for sure that double jump also. So what we did today is We added a scene. We also implemented this tile map, tile set, and also added this animation, also timers and all. And main thing, move player left and right and implement jump with animations also. So far now things are good. Cool. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Happy game developing.